Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACHV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on this one, so a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. So big thing that occurred today was, of course it got hammered in the morning, but after the price got pillaged and plundered all the way down here, the bulls did start to put themselves together a nice little bounce to the upside. So when you have expanding boxes in the upwards direction, always a good thing. But the point here being that from where the price was at its lows to where the price closed, any logical person would say, yeah, that's been a nice little bounce. So that does bring up the question, well, how can we measure the health of the bounce? And to me, that is why the 260 mark is very important, because assuming we can all agree on the logic that bounces that are true bounces are going to, keep on bouncing. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a bounce is a bounce, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 260. If the price were to go down to 260 and then break down below it and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, however, in this situation behaves like this and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have some progress being made in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. So yeah, the price did indeed make a nice bounce today. Is there true power behind it? Let's just see if the price can, stabilize and maintain some of those gains it's made. And, that main level right there at 260. As far as levels of resistance going forward, keep an eye on the purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. I get it, that line's way up there, but keyword being moving. So as Wednesday and the remainder of the week play out, that line will move itself downwards and get more and more relevant. So keep an eye on that. Overall, though, anyway, look at it, very nice bounce on the day. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this bounce going forward. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.